Okay, Paul, I'm gonna try and do this for you here. So I've got a small stick. I'm gonna square it into, make it into square. Flip it all the way around. So flat on one side, kind of flat on the other side. Making it roughly square. Not all the way square though. See how I left that round edge there? So I got 4 kind of squares. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna smooth that last side off that I left. I find that's easiest to get roughly, what is that, how many sides? Octagon, I guess? Octagonal. One more here. Doesn't have to be perfect either, right? So there's sort of an octagon. I pick a side I like, so here, turn the light on. That's better. I'll zoom in a bit more here. So there we go. So this is the top of the head. I'm gonna mark here where I want my eye to go on one side. Come across, mark at the same angle, so I got my eyes marked. Come down here, mark the bottom of my nose. Cut in for the eye. Cut in for the eye. And I do it so it goes about halfway across that little piece there. And I cut in for the eye. Cut in for the eye. Obviously I would do this as sort of a reverse chest lever, but I want you to see it this way. So there's the eye, here's the nose. Here's the other one, pick a little bit of a crooked face. There. Now what I do is I go down here just above the mouth and I cut a groove to the bottom of the eyeball that I made. And that acts as a stop cut right there. There you go. Now I'm going to go here, mark my bottom, and I roll my blade around, flip it over and match those grooves up like you did, and then just do what you did. Just use that as a stop cut, remove the material. And then I usually go like this. Can I do this so you can see what I'm doing here? Get my knife on there and I just roll it through the groove that I already made. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing while I'm carving, but you get the idea. Make that stop cut. Oops, where are you? Where'd I put it? Anyway, clean it up a little bit. And there's your tiki head, just like that. If you take one that's got an broken old branch here, so in other words, the end of a stick, you get, looks like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. And then you don't have to make it an octagon either. You can leave it just round and do the exact same thing with it round. I made a stop cut, eyeball, the top of the eye. Right, here's my mouth. Here's my mouth on the bottom. Smooth out the top, up to the bottom of the eye. There. That's all you gotta do. And then you can decorate. Alex, you know, he always decorates his mouth, like you've seen. He flattens this part out in here. Goes like that and flattens it out. And once he's got it flattened out, he adds his teeth and everything to it. There you go. That's how I do it. Hope you're having a good time.